Hey everybody, and welcome back for another tutorial. This week I shall post a few different videos for you all, being that I've been posting extremely late. Now there is a reason for that, a very logical reason, which I will be making a video for as well. Anyway, this week's tutorial is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I hope you all enjoy. So what we're going to be using to put on our brows today is called Jolie by NYX. I absolutely love this pencil, and I've been using it for about the past week and a half and did not know that it was going to react the way that it did. You absolutely cannot move it once it dries, which I find to be absolutely amazing. And now I'm going to clean up my brows with some Pro LA Girl Concealer. The key to brows is literally tweaking. Just like with eyeliner, you tweak until you get it right. And just know, just like they say in the makeup world, your brows are going to be sisters and not twins. But once you're done with your entire look, they should look alright.